You might want to grab a bite to eat before we do this drawing because you might not make it through without getting really hungry. Vada Pav is an Indian vegetarian fast food dish. Kind of like a burger, but not, because of course it's vegetarian. It's a yummy, deep-fried potato dumpling placed inside a bread bun. Add some yummy Indian spices, and this delectable little treat that originated in Mumbai can be found all over India. And it's also called a Bombay burger. Tasty stuff. And today we're going to draw it so that you're going to be able to pick it right off the picture and take a big bite. Let's get going. I'm hungry. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.